Hello everyone, this video is about creating polygon using SVG. Polygon is having three sides and the shape is closed. It's having attribute point that is will be having XY coordinate for each corner. So let's see how we can create SVG. Close the tag, then write polygon, write points equal to, write first point 100, comma 0. Yeah, then this will be the second point 50 comma 150, and now third point 150 comma 150. Let's see, it will create a triangle. Now let's fill this with red color. Give a stroke, green, stroke width, yeah, 3 C. Yeah, now let's give width to SVG 200 and height 200. Open the browser. That's how it will look in browser. Now if you want to create four side polygon, then write fourth point. Let's write 175 comma 50. Yeah, there you can see a fourth side polygon. Thank you so much for watching.